My name is Israel Onyemi. I'm a CEO of Medicare Solution. I've come to Onlinko Digital Marketing Company to acquire knowledge on how to put my business on internet for more patronage. And I can testify that it's actually working. The instrument of training is a top-notch one, and the trainer is calm. You understand the business very well, and I can tell you, having gone through different tools to market goods like the Google ads, the TikTok, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads, and different ones we use, including YouTube ads. I can tell you that I have confidence in myself, and that by the time I begin to put in my products, the visibility will be high, and the patronage expectedly will actually equally increase. So I want to encourage everyone, if you are into any kind of business and you need to upgrade your knowledge of how to market your product online, please come to Onlinko Digital Marketing Company. I tell you, it's actually worth doing it, and you will enjoy it and you will not regret it.